Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an Add to Cart button on Wix. This is a crucial feature if you're running an online store, as it allows customers to easily select products they want to purchase, making their shopping experience smooth and intuitive. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various settings. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the specific settings for your website where you can make changes and additions. Now, from this page, you can preview the website settings you currently have. It's a good idea to make sure that this is the website you wish to add a cart button to, especially if you manage multiple sites under your Wix account. Taking a moment to confirm ensures you're editing the correct site and saves you from potential confusion later on. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to the Wix website editor screen, which is where all the magic happens in terms of customizing and designing your site. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen, which is the workspace where you can visually build and modify your site. From here, locate the Add Elements menu from the left navigation panel and click on it. This menu is your gateway to all the building blocks you can use to enhance your website, from buttons and text boxes to images and interactive features. The menu will expand and show you a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. There are plenty of options available, but for our purpose today, look for the Stores section and click on it. This section contains all the e-commerce elements you need to run an online store effectively. Under the Stores section, you'll find the Add to Cart button. Simply drag it onto your website canvas wherever you'd like it to appear. Position it strategically near your product images or descriptions so customers can easily add items to their cart without hassle. And that's it. You've successfully added an Add to Cart button to your Wix website, giving your customers a seamless way to shop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.